Double hook up! Mate, that's not a small fish.
You good? Careful. Holy shit, look at this shot!
Hey, you fucking angry thing! Alright guys, today I'm going to do a pickled tuna. Now if you like eating tuna out of the tin, you'll definitely like this because it's whole fish that you've caught yourself and you're doing it yourself, and it tastes so much better than the tin. So watch this, learn this little recipe. Alright, here got some brown vinegar, water, the lemon peels because I'm putting a whole lemon in, and there's a little bit of lemon juice on there as well, as you can see, and some bay leaves. That is what, close my spice cupboard. That is what we're using to steam the tuna in. I only got this little tiny steamer, but I tell you what, it's gonna work. I'm putting 4 nice tuna chunks in there. The bloodlines have been taken out. I've already done all that when I cleaned our yellowfins the other day. So fresh yellowfin tuna going in, and it's gonna be dirty. So I'm gonna chop the tuna up, chuck the tuna in, start that steaming, and then chop up the rest of my stuff. Now I'm putting in a red capsicum. I would have liked a yellow capsicum just to make it look prettier. You know, mix all the colors up, but I got a red capsicum, a red onion and a white onion. They're getting chopped up and chucked through it as well. Makes an awesome flavor, and obviously who doesn't like pickled onion? It's the best. So, and with the tuna, it's the bomb. So I'm gonna start chopping that up, get the tuna on, and then I'll show you a little bit in a minute when I'm sort of putting it all together. There's my chunks of tuna in there. Just gonna chuck the lid on that and let her steam. I don't really have a time for this. I think most fish is done by eye, honestly. All my fish I cook, do it by eye. Do it by imagination as well. Just be like, look, I think that thing's been on for enough time, and if it's undercooked, you can always put it back on, but you don't want to overcook it. So some brown malt vinegar. Some white vinegar. Squeeze all this lemon in there. Try to keep the pips out. Let the lemon juice run through your fingers. My favourite ingredient. Goes in all my pickle mixes. Splash of soy. Bit of garlic salt. Garlic powder. Hell of a lot of black pepper. Some vegeta. You don't need this, but just to add a bit on it, onto it. And that is our mix. Doesn't that look lovely? I tell you what, once this fish is steamed up, that's going in there. And I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for a few hours, and it is going to be lovely. That fish is steaming away quite well. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Tell you what, I can't wait to chew on this tuna. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Keep watching until the end because I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, I think it was about, what, like 20 minutes max. This tuna is cooked to perfection and I'll show you why. I just put the knife in here, opened it up, still full of juice. That's lovely. I'm gonna break that up, put it through this mix. I tell you what, I'm so excited to have some, eh? Turns out my container was absolutely perfect. And you don't want to break it up too much. Like, look at that. It just falls apart in big slithers. You don't want to break it up too much, make it harder to eat. I can get some of them veggies up on top. Oh yeah, if you got a couple bay leaves, just chuck them in as well. They just add this crazy flavour through it. With the preservatives that are in there, with the vinegar and the lemon and all that, this thing will last just like your normal pickle mix. It will last in the fridge, guaranteed 2 weeks. But I tell you what, I reckon after 2 weeks, I'm probably gonna eat it all. So, cheers for watching this cooking episode and catches.